In this video I will show you how to create reflection shadow effect in Photoshop. Press Ctrl T, right click and choose Flip Vertical. Adjust the image. Go to Edit and choose Perspective Wrap. Follow the process. Press Enter. Follow the process. Add a mask. Go to Gradient Tool. Choose the gradient style. Now we will drag it from the bottom to the top. Go to Filter, Blur Gallery and choose Field Blur. Follow the process. Press OK. That's it. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials.